Hello, brothers, good men. This isn't a MGTOW video, so I won't put that in the description. Tomorrow, October 28th, is Blizzard Date. For us in America, if you go to Dairy Queen and get a Blizzard, they give $1 for every Blizzard sold in this country to the Children's Miracle Network. So if you good brothers and good men are so inclined, go get you a Blizzard tomorrow. Treat yourself to one and help a sick kid out. And as always, stay safe and keep your head on a swivel, because we know what's coming.